Welcome to our cat porch. Hi guys, what you doing? Yibbers, you're getting big. Little Libby isn't so little anymore. What's she doing? What are you doing, Libby? We're up there, go hang out with Raisin? Okay. What are you guys doing? Oh, you're having a snack. That's good. Libby, you greedy turd. Libby, why are you so greedy? I'm sorry, Raisin. Raisin. Sorry, little Libby stole your food. Let's see who else is out here and what they're doing. Little Bear. Little Bear is doing little bear things. I spy a shibby tail. Okay. Where are you guys going? Oh, you're going there. Okay. The next video we're gonna show about our cat shelters we're building for the ferals over at my mother-in-law's trailer. Here, I'll show you a little bit of footage and some pictures I have of those, and then hopefully we'll build we'll make a tutorial. Today on our cat porch, we're going to do something a little different. We are going to make feral cat shelter. The people I got the plans from suggested using a table saw. Well, that was interesting. This is what a 4x8 sheet of insulation turns into.